And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to draw a basic landscape in Illustrator. We will use the start tool at first. Use the arrow keys until you've got only these sides. Then hold shift. We will resize it. And resize it to the right. I used Alt so that the left side is adjusted as well. We only want to have snap to points, so go to view until you only have that. I'll select the pen tool and I go from the anchor points. Until I've got half of the triangle in a new shape. Select that and I'll give it a gray color. Maybe this. This should be fine. So now we've got two shapes and this will be a simple mountain. Let us use the pen tool again to create some snow. Just a random shape. Make sure to close the path here as well. And we need to give it a white fill color. And this is our first mountain. Let us group it. So right click group, I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it and then I resize it. Maybe up to here. I need another copy, so I'll repeat the process and I want to arrange that. Send it to back, so right click arrange, send to back. Yet another copy, once more resize it. And I want to have the middle one as the tallest. And I want to bring that to the front compared to the one on the right, so I'll send that to back. Let me group all of the mountains that we have. Now let us work on some clouds, and we will once more use only basic shapes for that, so the rounded rectangle tool will help us. Drag it inwards as far as possible. Let me give it a black color for now and I'll add some ellipses, just random, and then I reposition it and resize it a little bit until I like the result that I've created. When I zoom in I hold Alt and use the mouse wheel for that. And that looks like a cloud that we can use. Let me select that all and then I hold Alt and drag copy out of it. And we need another copy, so we've got 3 in total. When I resize it I hold Shift and Alt, different sizes. One small, one medium and one remains. And I reposition them. Now let us work on the sun, which is another ellipse, and I hold Shift to have a perfect circle. I'll make that yellow. Right click, arrange, send to back, so that I have the clouds in front of it. That's fine, but let me put the sun to the left for now. I'll select the clouds. And I'll make them white, but I guess I forgot one of the circles. That's fine. Let me reposition the sun. It's still in the back, and now we need a background. Let me use the rectangle for that. Up to here, then right click, arrange, send to back, and I'm going to make that blue. And I need to resize that. And we are almost done. That looks like a landscape, but maybe we want to add some grass in the background. So I'll drag another rectangle. I'll send it back, arrange send it back, and I make it green, but we can't see it as the blue one is on top of it. So let me select the blue rectangle, right click, arrange send it back. And now just some detail work. Maybe I'll make the rectangles on the left and the right a little bit smaller, so that they fit the mountains better. Just like this. If you create such drawings, always try to think in basic shapes. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.